back from the dead.
Yes, Jim Martini, and it is the second episode of my survival series, and we're going on the mining trip. And yeah, I'm let's call I'm let's call again. Never mind. Not okay. Okay, and yeah, let's going for a mine. Yeah, I'm ready because I got some wooden sword, and yeah, and I got some upcom. I build this and I make this larger, and I build this again. Let's make it larger. I mean, not larger, but okay. And that one, and I empty this one because I have no longer. And the big box over there, that is my Billinger breeding. That bit, it's small, okay. And let's go for lighting now. I see some mining up ahead this way, and yeah, where is it? Take this one, and let's do this, guys. Oops, I have no torch. Wait, let me up my brightness. That one, and yeah, let's go. I have no torch, and let me down now. Down. Ooh, I almost died. Yeah, wait. Let me take some of this. I see iron up ahead. Let me take first of this, and coal. No coal. Coal. Let me make some wood. I mean torch. Now I got some torch. Light it up. Let me take some coal. Coal. It's so hard to mine because I got some wooden pickaxe. But it's worth it. So much coal, right? The episode, I'm finding some diamonds. And yeah, and I'm ready now. And let me make some torch. And let me iron. I cannot find that. Let me save this thing. Let me have the wood. Okay. Let me work this. And let me craft a stone pickaxe. Stone pickaxe. And let me mine like that iron over there. Okay, so I got only two. I think three iron in that. Cobblestone. Next up, let me place this torch over this way. It is a dead end. And where's the food? It is one. And let's go now for mining. Oh, where is my stone? Okay, this one. And guys. Let me go in this, and this is a dead end again. Yeah. And my only way is this way. Let's go down. There's a torch. Let's see. What in the road? A mine shop? Mine shop? Mine shop? Maybe? Mine shop, right? Yes. It's a mine shop. Let me play some virtual with this. I can mine this or not. And I will mine that next one. I'm going now in this maybe. Right, it's so good. Oh my god. Look guys, it's really good, good world, right? I have no more torch. Let me see. What is my head? Oh, I'm doing. And this. Let me go up. Let me make some torches. I have so much coal right now. Let's fix me. Let me mix some again. It's enough, right? It's a torch. I need a torch. Because where I'm going now. Get me back in my spot. Ooh, iron. Let me get this iron first. Ah, down. Okay. Ooh, more iron. Okay. Let me get that. And let me up. Ooh, coal. Coal. Let me get this coal first. Okay. Ooh, a zombie. I heard some zombie around here. Okay, let me get my sword and I'm ready to battle. What is that? Cold again. Okay. This way. I know it is not my way to go home, but I'm making more progress to get out. What is this? Ah, I'm stuck in the cobweb. Yeah, that's back now. Okay, let's go to another direction. Plus, I have no more to see some iron. Let me go down here. And iron. Iron. Okay, iron. Next. And no more iron down here. Oh, I found some iron. Oh, let's stop this. Oh my god. Let me get this. Yeah. And let's go down. Okay. Let me pick this. And ooh, maybe I'm close on diamond now. Not now. Let me take this. Oh, let me make this. Let me see this. Down. Yeah. Up, up, up. Oh, a creeper. 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 Ouch. Oh, diamonds. 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 Let me stop over here. Found some diamonds. A diamonds. Oh. Let me up this. This one. Diamonds. Oh my gosh. Oh, redstone lapis. Oh my gosh. That is so good. God, oops, a zombie. Without inventory. I don't need that. I need some potatoes. Oh yeah. Let me put some crafting table and place on it, and some this furnace, and let me smelt my iron. I need only three coal, and yeah, let me that, and let me eat something, and to ready my house, and yeah, give me one more, give me one more, and I will make that. And where's the diamond? Oh my gosh. Oops, oops, oops. And up, and where's the diamond? I found that. Let me see if the diamond had more. Oh, I do diamond. Oh my gosh. It's so oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm almost walking into that, okay? Don't do that, guys. Got no more cobblestone. Let me get some more cobblestone, and let me do it again. And yeah, that one, this one, this one, and I will maybe get that now. And yeah, let me put this. I finished this now, and let me make some pickaxe, iron pickaxe, and mine this redstone here. Oh my god, so much. Oh my gosh, lava. Let me make this and this, and yeah, and let me take my diamonds over here. Diamonds, oh my gosh, some diamonds, and yeah, one diamond, two diamonds, three diamonds, four diamonds. Oh my gosh, that is super many diamonds, because it is really rare to find some diamonds over here. I'm so lucky because I found that, and some emerald. Oh my gosh, lava, and jump up, and yeah, let me find some more. Let me find some more diamonds, and yeah, this way. No, okay. Let me get my olive stuff. Yeah, and let's go again. Let's find some diamonds again. Okay, where is something? Maybe. Oh, blood. pick some of my wood. Not all of my wood. Oh my gosh, spiders. Freaking spiders. Die. I don't really like mob because they are super annoying. Let me make some torch. Then no more takes on over here. And yeah. Oh, I got sand and this planks. Yeah, one more. Okay, it's maybe like it's okay. Remind this that again, and then I'm done with this. And let me see over there. Ooh, let's go there. Okay. Ooh, oh my gosh, lava. Ooh, lava again, oh my gosh. What the fake? Okay, lava more. Ooh, oh my god. This is so messed up. Let me see everything. I don't like this one. Let me see, I see a hole. Okay, that one, and pick up this thing. This way. Ooh, lava. So freaking lava. Ooh, new place, right? I go up here to my new spot. And I'm over here. Jump. I don't like to fall in lava because I'm gonna die. Let me see if... Oh my gosh. Jump. Yes. Let me eat some of my carrots. Okay. Let me... This. Oh my god, what the frick is that? Again. Yeah, but too much water. Let me go. Oh, don't. Okay. Okay. Let me go back now and let's go this way. No. I'm being to that, and let me stop this water source in here. And yeah. Stop and yeah. Stop now, please, maybe. Okay. Ooh, this thing. Oh my god. Okay, stop that. And go there. Let me find more. Oh, creepers. I found some creepers. Oh, helping you. Okay, let me see. Iron. So much water. Okay, swim up. Yeah. Ooh, a diamond. I had. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let me take this way. This last. Maybe more. More. Maybe. No. This one. Okay. Let me tap this one and tap this one and let me tap this now. Oh my god. I wish not lava. Not lava. Okay. But okay. Okay, not lava, not lava. Okay. That's fine. Okay. I got some and ouch. The important stuff is the diamond over there. Oh my gosh. Don't mess it up. Yeah. One more. One more. And here. Ooh. Oh my gosh. It's so fucking good. Gosh. Oh my diamond. Don't die. Don't die. Don't die. I'm begging you. Don't die. Don't die. That is so accident. It's an accident. Oh my gosh. And sorry about that because I want to lose my stuff. That is my fault. That is my armor. Oh my gosh. That is almost broken. That is my fault, guys. Sorry. Oh my gosh, I got no wood. Let me take this one. Gosh. Let me take some of these. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh. Oh, iron too. Oh my gosh, that is so nervous. I'm so nervous on that because I almost died. Oh my gosh. Let me see if my diamonds in this way. No, 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 no. Okay. Let me go in this. I cannot jump because my head. I'm not going that way now. And let's get this iron. And yeah. Let me crouch. Maybe. Okay. Let's go back now. Okay. And I get this iron, redstone because the redstone got it's falling the lava. Go into the lava. Nah. I never already know. Yay. We are back. Let's go now. Up, because I'm so messed this up. And let me up this. Maybe I will dig up one. Let me find some Minecraft in the chest. Ah, spider! 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 Die! 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 Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Let me eat this. To regen my health. And ooh, emerald. I can mine this up now because I got some. Okay, yeah. And I can mine this up and ocean falling. Okay. And up. And yeah. I found some. Okay. Okay, this. Scalable. And this way. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Let me stop this. Okay. I'm going home. Oh my gosh. I mean, to the village again. Okay. Oh, and go. And let me mine out cobblestone. Easy for you. Gosh. I will spare this all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm almost out. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, yay! Oh my gosh, that was a freaking good mine trip because I got some 10 diamonds out of that, and yay! And I'm back, and yeah, I will work this again, and I will get some more woods for next time to be and next episode, and I will build something now. And yeah, don't go that way. Yeah, building. She like a crazy psycho. She was running around up the ladder and guys, I will wrap up this episode in here now, and yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and